Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to recover your Bereal account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to recover your Bereal account, all you need to do is simply tap open your Bereal app. So once you tap open your Bereal app, you'll end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on send verification text. So your number has already been typed in, so you just need to tap on it and first of all play a puzzle and solve it to prove that you are a human being. So once all the puzzle is solved and you have submitted it, you will be taken to this interface where all you need to do is simply type in your code that has been sent to verify your number. So after this step is also done, you will end up in this interface where as your account was deleted, you have to tap on login and cancel deletion, and after you do so, your account will be logged in back as your account has been recovered. I hope you find this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.